Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, tag away, tag everything. And today, a mouse unboxing video. So I've been using my old mouse for over 3 years, and there's some small problems keep on occurring, which is the middle scrolls starting to not working and a bit sticky, the clicks. Yeah, so that's my reason why I get this. I heard a lot of good reviews, good things about the Razer DeathAdder series, and this is the most baseline model, the entry level. The price is affordable. I wouldn't say it's very cheap, it's affordable. And you will see some Chinese character. This is because I ordered from China. This is import set, which is quite a bit cheaper than the Malaysia set or any other international set. So I save out a lot for the Chinese version. And this is original. I will show you how to verify whether this is original or fake through this QR code. So you'll be using WeChat to verify whether this product is legit or not, because this is from China source, so they want you to use WeChat to check. Next, click your Discover tab and click the Scan button. Scan the QR code, and then you follow the Razer page. Just ignore that the Razer want to access your location, and you click the middle button, the below middle button called 客户服务, and then you press the first button, the first one, and then you wait for a few seconds and you verify. And as you see, this is the legit one. So because this is China version, there's no English. But if you see the word 正版商品, then that means you bought the legit one. So that's it, that's simple. Yeah, the boxes look exactly the same as normal DeathAdder essential box. It's just that with some Chinese character. If you can read Mandarin, you can pause it. But no worries, there's English around it. So show some features, performance, or something like that. Here's the dimension. I'll put right here, or the back. Yeah, you can pause it if you want to read it. Yeah. Okay, so moving on. Let's do the unboxing. Use my trustworthy cutter. Okay. Don't want to damage the box, although the box is already damaged during the shipping. Okay, maybe I should cut it like this.
2,000 years later.
Finally, damn it. Okay, let's get this out. So this is my first Ryzen product that I bought ever. So I have quite an expectation. I wouldn't say high because this is entry level one, but I choose to believe the Razer quality. Yeah, shouldn't be too bad. Okay, so this is the instruction guide. Yeah, show you what it is. Yeah, stickers, Razer sticker. Good. Okay, put it aside. Wow, nice. Even the USB is green, coated with their signature green. Take it out. Wow. Okay, it's pretty light, the mouse. And what else? Okay, Razer DeathAdder Essential. Nice. This mouse is made for the palm gripper lover. So you can see there's a mid bulk up, like a big mountain, I'll say it, and it fit your palm perfectly. I would say my hand is like above average size lah, a bit bigger lah, and it fits really good. I really like this kind of shape, this kind of mouse. For the claw gripper, this one is not really a claw gripper. If you like the tight claw, like squeeze it, tighten it up, I don't know how to explain it. Yeah, maybe this mouse is not for you, but I really like palm gripper style mouse. And it has a 5 programmable button, and this mouse is only show green light. There's no RGB. yeah, that's about it, guys. This video is very simple. It's just unboxing, and I will make a review video which is much more in-depth. I'll show you the software, the synapse, everything, my feedback, my opinion on this mouse, you know, how I use it, how do I feel, and etc. So stay tuned with that, and happy Chinese New Year, guys. I've been working for the past few weeks, started in my internship, so that's why my video kind of delay, you know, slow it down for this period, but I will come back, make more quality videos for you guys. And remember to subscribe, comment down in the comment section below, share to your friends and family. Yeah, that's it. Please support this channel. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.